Alright, so I'm just going to show you very quickly what a good cell looks like and what a bad cell looks like when you're doing voltage drop tests on them. And I got a motor over there and a headlamp. You can see it light up and the motor spin when I touch the leads here. So the usual voltage drop is about 0.08, so that should go to 7.05-ish as soon as I connect the lead. I went to a little less. Well, it should go to 0.03 or something. Just can't get that lead. So that's about it. Anything more than a volt, than 0.10 of a volt is kind of excessive. And then it just slowly kind of ticks down. And it just takes its time. You can hear the power of the motor. It sounds pretty consistent. It just keeps going. So I usually run it for about 5 minutes just to see. And then let's hook up this other bad cell and see if it gives itself up right away. So I just marked it with some tape. And we'll see the starting voltage on this. Sometimes you won't even have to test them full through. So that's at 7.2. And we'll see. It's probably going to drop a whole 0.1 of a volt. So it's probably going to go 7.1. Whole tenth of a volt. See that okay? Alright, so going to do the drop test. Yeah. Oh, see? See how far that went down? Let's look at that again. So it's at 7.1, 7.2, and yeah. And look how fast that's going. It's dropping voltage very quickly. And you can hear the motor starting to kind of fizzle out. So that's pretty much it, guys. They'll give themselves up. Look how fast it's dropping out. But you want to test these cells on the lower end voltage. Look, it's already gone to pretty much dead that quickly, starting at 7.2 volts. So there you go, guys. That's what it looks like when you're diagnosing your hybrid cells. If you got anything from this video, please leave a like. Give me a subscribe for future amateur tech. I got this battery welder. I'm going to be making some batteries pretty soon for the e-bike. And yeah, thanks for watching.